Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro could be the two most exciting devices to be launched this year if the leaks are to be believed. These smartphones are expected to ship in completely new designs and with upgraded hardware. Also, Google is tipped to introduce an in-house chipset called Whitechapel. We did hear about a few specs. That said, a fresh leak has appeared to provide the specifications of both the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. The upcoming Pixel 6 series is rumored to arrive around October this year, much like its usual timeline. While there's still some time for the launch, we already have a handful of information about these smartphones. With that in mind, we decided to detail everything known about the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro so far. Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 specs and features. Last year's flagship Pixel 5 missed out on the XL model, but that may change this year, as plenty of leaks hint towards a larger Pixel 6. However, the XL moniker is tipped to be replaced by Pro, meaning the top-end Pixel will be called Pixel 6 Pro. Google has been using the XL moniker for quite some time, and it's hard to predict why Google would want to go that way. Moving forward to the design of the Pixel 6 series, which is expectedly getting a massive overhaul. Two well-known tipsters have confirmed the rumored design, so it's likely that the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro will feature the same. These renders are akin to the previous Pixel 6 renders that surfaced online. From what we have seen, the device appears to have an elevated camera strip that runs through the width of the smartphone. Also, the device gets a dual-tone finish on the rear and no capacitive fingerprint reader, whereas it can be seen featuring a centered punch hole display on the front. The bezels have also been substantially reduced. However, there's a noticeable bottom chin. It is also reported that the Pixel 6 will feature an in-display fingerprint scanner for authentication. Evidence about the inclusion of the same was also found in the Android DP2 code. So, there might be something to claim. Now, in a fresh leak, Jon Prosser has revealed the key specs of both the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. As far as the standard Pixel 6 is concerned, it is tipped to sport a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with support for a 120Hz refresh rate. Further, the device may ship with dual rear cameras consisting of a 50-megapixel primary shooter and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Whereas on the front, it is expected to feature an 8-megapixel shooter for selfies. Google's very own chipset will power the device, and could be paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage. Moreover, a substantially bigger 4614 mAh battery may power this smartphone. On the other hand, Pixel 6 Pro is expected to feature a bigger 6.71-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone is supposed to get a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel primary shooter, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor. Whereas on the front, it may ship with a 12-megapixel shooter for selfies. Much like the standard model, it is also expected to feature the in-house chipset, which could further be coupled with up to 12 GB RAM and 512 GB of onboard storage. Finally, the Pixel 6 Pro may feature a 5000 mAh battery. At Google I/O this year, the software giant revealed that it has also been working to improve computational software that powers its cameras. The brand showcased how it collaborates with image experts to bring better results while capturing pictures of people with different skin tones. We believe that's only a small part of the software change that we learnt about, and the Pixel 6 will see plenty more improvements that will make its camera stand out. One of the biggest changes on the Pixel 6 series is the inclusion of the in-house chipset. Reports suggest that Samsung is developing this chipset codenamed Whitechapel. Further, the chipset is being referred to as GS101, with GS being the abbreviation of Google Silicon. We have also learned that it is an octa-core ARM CPU with 2 Cortex-A78 plus 2 Cortex-A76 and 4 Cortex-A55 cores. This will be coupled with ARM Mali GPU and be fabricated on Samsung's 5nm manufacturing process. Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro launch date. Google announces its flagship Pixel devices during the October event that it holds every year. The current Pixel 5 arrived on September 30th last year. So we expect the upcoming Pixel 6 lineup to come at the same time. Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro price. Much like the launch date, there's no information around the pricing of the upcoming Pixel 6 models. However, keeping the expected changes in mind, we predict a considerable increase in the pricing of Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro. As far as the pricing is concerned, the Pixel the 6th of May ship at a starting price of $600, whereas the Pixel 6 Pro at $700. Google mentions Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 XL online. According to a report by XDA developers, the Android maker mentioned the Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 XL as part of a developer forum distributed during a recent discussion at the Google for Games Developer Summit, where the recently reported play while downloading feature was shown off by the company. The company reportedly mentioned these devices while seeking responses from app developers who wanted to exclude themselves from a new feature on Android 12 devices called Game Mode Interventions. The Google Pixel 6 XL or the Google Pixel Pro? It is important to note that this casual mention of the Google Pixel 6 XL is not an official confirmation of the name of the device. Many leaks have pointed to the larger Pixel 6 model this year bearing the Pro tag. But it is also possible that Google retains the XL name it has been using since the original Google Pixel smartphone. Or, as XDA developers have pointed out, it could be a simple mistake by a Google employee who might have meant to write Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL on the form.